In this chapter, we're going to use the PI option shift calendar to create production planning for some of our plant equipment. We're going to start on our Plant Objects tab, and we're going to create a time model for the different types of time categories that we want to use for production. Next, on our plant objects, we will create a calendar and set some of the basic attributes such as day of the week, work days, and also we will enable some of our interface variables to be used as actions during production runs. Once we compile and download this to our PLC, we'll go to Runtime. We'll create templates for what each shift looks like, including production and breaks. And we'll also create actions to start equipment when production starts and turn off equipment when production ends. So if you're ready, let's get started.